It's summertime, guys, and with this bundle of happiness and awesomeness, here comes the scorching heat. To beat that heat, I came up with a refreshing salad recipe that you can enjoy while working through your busy schedule. And with the drum roll, it's Quinoa Salad with vegan feta cheese. Ingredients we need for this big ball of awesomeness are 1.5 to 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, some lemon zest, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, rock salt according to taste, black pepper according to taste, fresh herbs like mint and parsley finely chopped, some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, scallions, 1 cup of raw quinoa, 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, and vegan feta cheese. Let's dive into the recipe now. We begin by adding 1.5 to 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Once it starts to boil, let's add 1 cup of raw quinoa seed, the star of our show. Now, set this aside and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the dressing. In a bowl, we are adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, some lemon zest, rock salt and black pepper according to taste. And let's just whisk it. From the saucepan, transfer these cooked quinoa to the bowl. Add boiled chickpeas, scallions, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, mint and parsley. Then add the dressing we had made earlier. Once the fresh chopped mint touches the hot and cooked quinoa, it brings out a very refreshing fragrance. Now, it's time to add some vegan feta cheese. You can use your regular feta cheese, but I kind of like my healthier version of this. And as I said, I'll share the secret recipe with you later. So here you go, guys. The summer blend of quinoa salad is ready. Okay, let's see how it tastes like. Amazing as always. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe. For more healthy recipes and fitness advice, tune in to Health First Cart. Our social media links are down below, where you can get more updates on our production process and other informations. Till then, take care and thrive.